explorers, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes and welcome to another resort tour vlog. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So for this video, I am currently here in Tawi-Tawi, which is the southernmost province of the Philippines, and Tawi-Tawi has actually been seen as a very high-risk location, not only for foreigners but also for Filipinos. But now in 2025, the Tawi-Tawi government is actually trying to promote this location as an emerging tourist destination. For this video, I'll be showing you around this beautiful resort, but please don't use this vlog as a free pass to just booking your flights and coming here. I would really suggest that no matter what day you watch this, you still go and check the political landscape and also the risk landscape, because you know that in the Philippines, especially the southern Philippines, it is still known to be a red area. And to those of you who are visiting from other countries who also have insurances, there may be a chance that you might not be covered if you visit a place like Tawi-Tawi. But hopefully in the future, when people see that they are starting to benefit a lot from all the tourism that they are getting, then it'll become a much more pleasant place for everyone. Right now, they are saying that Tawi-Tawi is perfect for tourism, and that is why I'm here. I am currently here with my security team. They are my friends who do search and rescue in terms of disasters and high-risk situations. So I would like you to take that into consideration before booking this beautiful place. And I cannot emphasize the importance of checking the news before booking any destination, and that actually applies to anything in the world. But then again, I don't want this to become a post about talking about the area, because this vlog is really about me showing you the beautiful resort. So let's go and show you my room. So for this stay, since I am having the room to myself, I decided to book the deluxe single, and I want to show you what it looks like from the bottom of the stairs all the way to the room. So you can see the room is really beautiful. It's got a nice wooden arc. You have a place to hang your clothes for your dry clothes inside, and if you go outside, you also have that option as well, especially if you book the deluxe, as you have a balcony to yourself. Now for the toilet, it's really cozy how they have different accent walls, and it's also very spacious, and you have a very spacious shower as well. You have all the basics. You have the coffee, the free water, you have a desk where you can work. You have a lot of areas that have plugs so you could charge from anywhere, and for me that's what I really like. And you know what, like I said, the reason why you should get deluxe if you come here is because you get a beautiful view. Now, let's go and check out the rest of the resort, because it is just so amazing. So, I like how they really have beautiful plants just as you exit your room. Really adds to the overall ambiance. And then just the walkway, we're gonna head to the reception just so you have a look. Although if you've seen my other vlogs, you've probably already seen it. But let's take a closer look in the area before we head to the pool area. You can tell that they really put so much time and effort and thought into the landscaping, because for me, there's so many beautiful colors. You have red, you have bright orange red, and you have some orange plants, different types that really makes the place feel so cozy and worth visiting when you come all the way here. I mean, if you guys have seen my previous vlog, it does take 2 flights from Manila to come to Tawi-Tawi, so it needs to be worth it to fly that far. If you book a standard room, you won't get a balcony. You're gonna get something like this. So just the main door, You're gonna be part of the walkway and you don't have a view. So that's the main difference, or I think the only difference between a deluxe premium and a standard room. So guys, the month I am visiting is June. So that June is normally the rainy season here in the Philippines, and that is why we're also getting the nice winds, so it's not so hot. So yeah, here's the pool area. Today's a Sunday and they just had a wedding, so there are a lot of people today. So maybe I'll share some snippets of what it looks like as well when it's empty, because we're going to be here for 4 days, and mostly during weekdays it's a lot more empty than on weekends. So that's my room up there. All right, now let's head on over to the beach area. So yeah, they have a very spacious beach, lots of space to do activities, hang out. They also have a place to play volleyball. So nice here. It might be overcast, so there might not be any sunset today. And last of all, when you book a hotel stay here, breakfast is included, and this is the area where you can eat your food. It's not a restaurant. You order at the reception, but you can have it eaten here. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you would like to book this hotel, I will leave the details below. But as I said earlier, don't take this vlog as a free pass for you to just come here and book and say, oh, I've seen, you know, the Traveling Foxes vlog about it. Please always check the political landscape and the risk landscape. Check the news from your country and where you're coming from. Again, Tawi-Tawi has been safe for many years, but because of the past, I don't want to just say anything that might put anyone in danger. So always best to check before coming to the south of the Philippines, just for extra safety. I don't want to be responsible for anything that you've planned. I'm always one that travels in risky areas, but I also want to tell you the risks you may face if you don't check before coming. So yeah, thank you guys for watching another vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be in Tawi-Tawi for another 3 days, so I will be creating vlogs on the different locations we will be visiting. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe so you get updated. I normally post once a week, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye!